Hi, my name is Esha Vij.
Hi, I'm Maya Anand, and we are part of the St. Louis Writers Guild's teen team.
We are very excited to announce that SLWG will be hosting a summer camp for young writers from the comfort of your very own home.
The SLWG is an incredible organization that offers a myriad of different programs, all designed to encourage young writers in the community.
A typical day will start with the introduction of the day's guest speaker, followed by a workshop to help build your child's writing abilities. Tuesday and Thursday are built-in writing days to help your child practice their developing writing skills.
This year we have an all-star lineup of authors, such as Jodie Feldman, Cole Gibson, LaShonda Hoffman, Meredith Tate, Jamie Craikover, and C.L. Postal.
This camp will cost $20 per child and run from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. over Zoom Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Along with the exciting features mentioned, the camp's fee also includes an associate membership to SLWG.
Due to COVID-19, our summer camp will be held remotely this year. This means that you can enjoy participating in the fun all from the comfort of your own home. Additionally, it means that this event is open to anyone, even students outside of St. Louis. Any student from grades 4 through 12 can enroll in this writing camp.
We hope to see you soon.